Hello English learners. How have you been? I hope you are doing really well and keeping up with your practice. My name is Lena. I will be your guide today. In this video, we're going to focus on one very important phrase. Thank you. We all use it every single day, but sometimes we don't want to use the same word again and again. It can feel a little repetitive. That's why I'll teach you many natural and useful alternatives you can use instead. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express gratitude in different ways, whether you're talking with friends, being polite in a formal setting, or showing big appreciation when someone helps you. So get ready to repeat after me. Practice out loud so your thank you can be heard. Now let's explore all the different ways to say thank you in English. Alright, let's start with simple everyday ways. The most common way is, thank you. You can also say, thanks, or a little more friendly, big thanks. Thanks a lot. That was short, casual, and friendly. If you want to sound more polite, you could say, thank you very much. Thanks so much. Or, many thanks. In case you really want to show deep gratitude in a warm and friendly way, you can say, thank you so much. Thanks a ton. Thanks a million. You can also say, thank you for everything. Many thanks. A million thanks to you. I cannot thank you enough. In case of expressing sincere thanks when someone helps you, but keeping it friendly, you could try, you are so thoughtful. You are great. You saved my day. You are a lifesaver. That means a lot to me. In professional or formal situations, you could say, I appreciate it. I'm grateful. I really appreciate it. Much appreciated. If you'd like to expand a little more, you could say, I appreciated it more than you will ever know. Your kindness is greatly appreciated. Your generosity is appreciated. Excellent. Now we've covered 25 unique ways to say thank you in English. Practice out loud. Let your thank you be heard. Keep practicing every day. It really makes a difference. You will see progress and your English will get better and better. Now, I am going to demonstrate some examples to help you with your practice. Here we go, some examples for you. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you so much for everything. Thanks for your help. Thanks a lot for calling me back. Thanks a ton for your advice. Many thanks for your support. I can't thank you enough for your support. I'm grateful for this opportunity. I really appreciate your feedback. I really appreciate your time today. Your quick reply is much appreciated. Great work. Now you know 25 different expressions for saying thank you. Practice aloud so your thanks can be heard. Try to use different ones depending on the situation, polite, friendly, or professional. And remember, repeating is the key to sound natural. And small steps can make a great impact. So adding 25 new expressions can really level up your English. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.